Now coming to the format of the formal letter. At first we will write the sender's address. Suppose that you are the sender, then you have to write your address here. And this arrow signifies the blank space. Here you have to leave a line, and then after you will write the date. Here sender's address will be written like this. Suppose that this is New Era School, Morbi. The city or town, it must be mentioned here. Then after you have to leave a line here. Then the date will be mentioned here, and date will be written like this, 19th April 2020. Again you have to leave a line. Now if you have to write the letter to the editor, suppose that you have to write the letter to the editor, so you have to mention here the receiver's address. The receiver's address here is the editor, the Times of India, Rajkot. Now there won't be any kind of space that you have to leave here. Now again you will leave a space here. Then after you will mention the mention subject, mention the salutation, that is sir. Then after you will write the subject here. Subject whenever you are going to write the subject, you can also use capital letters here, and you have to underline that subject so that it can be highlighted. Now the body part. The body part contains the main body contains three parts. The first one is introduction, the second one is content, and third one is conclusion. So here in the introduction part you have to write, you have to attract the attention of the reader. Suppose that there is the electricity problem in your locality. So you will write here, through this letter I would like to draw the attention of the authorities towards the electricity supply in our colony. Then the main content is there, the problem that you are facing, the main content. The content here is the main content. Second paragraph, the problem that you are facing only because of the electricity supply, only because of the improper electricity supply, that you have to mention here. And at last the third paragraph is of conclusion. The conclusion here is I hope you will publish. You have to write like this, I hope you will publish this, or I hope you will do something on the regarding matter. Just like this you have to conclude your letter. At last you will write here thanking you. You have to leave a space there, and then signatory. Signatory means yours faithfully, and then you will write the name, the address that you have written here, your address and your name. Might be it is mentioned in the question only, and it should not be there, so you have to include it yourself. Now for homework I am giving you the page number 37 and 38 of your textbook. There is one writing section, one letter is there, and you have to complete it in your notebook. Thank you.